from Knitting by Michelle, and I'm working on this sweater for my husband. Let me show you. So I'm working on this sweater. Can you see it? For my husband. And I'm working on the second sleeve. I did the first sleeve, so I'm working on the second sleeve. So I have to increase the edges 15 times. See? You can see that. 15 times. I have to increase the edge of each row 15 times. Now, sometimes I'll lose count and I don't know which row I'm on. So what I've decided to do was use the clicky markers here, the stitch markers, and just keep them at each increase that I do. So far I've increased 3 times. So I'll keep these on here until I get to row 15. So I thought that would be my tip for the day. If you want to keep count of the row that you're on, the increases that you've done so far, I'm sorry, just put a stitch marker on the edge of each increased row and keep them there, because there are times when we have to put our work down, we'll get interrupted some way, somehow, and we may not remember if we just move it from one row to the next every time we increase. So if you keep it at the beginning of each increased row, then you can keep count of which row you increase. So far I've done it 3 times. So I'm just going to keep it going until I get to row 15. That way I know I've completed my 15 rows. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.